I got the MetaQuest 3. I really want to see the difference between it and the 3S. We've got some little arrows here. Just peel them, just like that. If you're ever in LeGrand, Oregon, come check out my store. It's here in LeGrand. Right. So let's see what we got. How much different is this than the 3S? All right, well, 3S is a weird name for it because it's way bulkier. This is the 3S, this is the 3. 4K resolution is the biggest difference. I'll let you guys know what I think. Be sure to follow me for a review. But I wanted to compare these while I'm doing this unboxing. Check out some of my other videos. So, the 3S controllers, I'm curious if they're the same. So this is the 3s. There's a little thing to pull. Just like that. Bam! So, the 3S controllers, they feel the same to me. I don't think there's any difference. I guess we'll see, but nice and soft. Overall, they feel about the same weight, but the 3 is actually slimmer than the 3S. Kind of weird. I don't know what the S stands for. I thought it meant slim, but it looks really nice. See what else it came with here. Has a little piece that comes out. Paperwork. I love that it comes with a power brick. A lot of stuff doesn't anymore. It is packaged slightly different than the 3S's power brick. I don't know why they did that, but it's USB-C on both ends. Has a great feel, kind of like Apple products. Power button looks like it's in the same spot. Charger port's in the same spot. I've only had this 3S for one day and I'm already starting to wear the fabric a little bit. Kind of crazy. I feel like these are going to be pretty dirty, especially if I rent them out here at my store for people to try out. See how it feels. Overall, it feels about the same. If anything, it has like, it just feels like a little bit nicer. Like, I think it's the same weight, but it just doesn't stick out nearly as far. So if you can afford it, I would probably go with the 3 instead of the 3S. And it does have half a terabyte hard drive built in. Pretty rad. So let's just compare them right away here. Okay. I have to like sign into my account and all that stuff on the 3 still, but cool. And I don't, oh, I can use my fingers, by the way, to select things inside the menus. It's really awesome, but I do have to have controllers for being able to use the MetaQuest. So 3S resolution, you know, it's really hard to tell. So be sure to follow me. I'll make a video if you guys put down enough comments about what you want to know about these. Oh yeah. I can already see a huge difference. The setup process is pretty easy on these. You just use these to point and click at the screen. I think it's a pretty comfortable headset. Like, really overall the most comfortable VR headset I've ever tried. And I'll be sure to do a video about the Meta Ray-Bans. I've been using them for a long time. So I'm just setting up my internet connection and all that stuff. So controllers are the same, power cord's the same, resolution's a lot better. It's hard to tell how much better until I'm actually playing a high resolution game or that sort of thing. But yeah, this was all about the MetaQuest 3.